Leg of young goat with turnip compote recipe. Servings: 4. Preparation time: 40 minutes. Cooking time: 50 minutes. Difficulty level: easy. Recommended wine: Sauvage in 1998 Vin Rouge du Lac de Baie in Cantanda. Cooking recipe ingredients: 1 leg of young goat, gigot, about 2 pounds, 0.85 cups stark fond, young goat, 0.7 oz. Peanut oil, 1.8 oz. Butter, salt, pepper, 20 small potatoes, turned in olive oil. The gremolata sauce. 4 dried tomatoes, cut into small dice. 1 lemon peel, cut into small dice. 4 garlic cloves, cut into small dice. 0.7 oz. Minced parsley, 1 teaspoon thyme leaves, 1 oz. Hazelnut butter. Turnip compote. 1.1 pounds turnip compote, 1 small onion, hacked, 0.42 cups fowl bouillon, 0.42 cups white wine, dry, 1 oz. Grated potato, raw, 1.4 oz. Butter, salt, pepper, 2 juniper berries. Preparation instructions: leg of young goat with turnip compote recipe. Preparation of the turnip compote. Stew the onion with 0.35 ounces butter. Add the turnip compote, like for the sauerkraut. If the compote is too strong, wash it a little bit. Moisten with white wine and fowl bouillon. Then, cook with the juniper. After 30 minutes cooking, there should only be a few spoons of liquid left. Bind with the raw potato and 1 ounce butter. Adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Gigot preparation. LT and pepper the gigot and color it gently in the oven for 10 minutes. Add butter and continue the cooking for 8 minutes. From time to time, sprinkle with water. Put the gigot on the grill and let it rest for 10 minutes. Gremolata preparation. Put all the ingredients in a small saucepan, except the parsley. Reheat slowly. Season with some salt and end by adding parsley. Ending and presentation. Cook the potatoes in salted water. Drain and butter lightly. Place the turnip compote on a dish and top it with the young goat leg, the gigot de Cabri, covered with gremolata. Put the potatoes around the ensemble. Present this plate to your guests and cut it right in front of them. Serve a gravy bowl with the dark Cabri fawn with it.